Today on Smackey's Garage, we're going to be swapping out the USB-A setup in my F150 for USB-C. Now, we're going to see if I can actually get this to work with the truck as it's supposed to, and see if there's any benefits from it. So let's go ahead and let's jump into it. Now, the first question we need to get into is why. There are some benefits to going to USB-C. Sometimes you can get faster charging out of it, but I'm not 100% sure if this truck is going to support it. And one of the things that I don't know about doing this mod is if you do this mod, what actually happens with the truck? Does it function as it's supposed to? I'm still running Sync 3.0, and I'm not sure if that's going to support this, or I need to upgrade to Sync 3.4, so that's something else we're going to have to check. So this one little mod might jump into something much bigger. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start by putting this in. Now, to do this and to work on this, it is relatively simple to get it in and out. There are two tabs on the top and bottom of this. When I say top and bottom, I'm talking about the sides here. So here and here that you need to push in. And one of the tools that I like to do that with is something like this. This is actually an exhaust tool, but you just need to slide it in, push that tab out, and you should be able to just pull this out. It's gonna be really hard for me to capture on camera, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm going to do that. So again, this is what it looks like. You slip this in here and you push that tab down, and then it should just pop out. Now, after you get this out and popped out, you should be able to just pull it out, and there's going to be a connector on the back that you just need to disconnect. Actually, there's going to be multiple connectors on the back that need to be disconnected. Now, after you get them out, one thing you're going to note is these connectors are exactly the same. It looks like they're just using a USB mini to plug it in. With this out, you can now see that both of these are identical and they are the same. Let's just hope that when we plug it in, they perform the same. All right, now that I have this, I'm just going to go ahead and plug the new one in. It's just as simple as plugging everything back in. And then, before I go ahead and push it into place, I'm going to start it to see if I have any issues with the truck. So it does light up, which is good. That's a positive sign. I guess I now need to get a USB cable to test it to make sure it works. Now, after I have this in and I've taken the other one out, all I really have to do now is just push it into place. So I'm going to go ahead, push it. You can decide which orientation it goes in, but after you get it in, just push, snaps right into place, and that's all you have to do. So I guess that's the first answer there. It says, this USB device is not supported. Please remove. So testing this out, the first thing that I'm noticing is this doesn't actually work in Sync 3.0. I'm wondering if it's going to work in the next version of Sync, so Sync 3.4. If I've uploaded this video, it did work in Sync 3.4. All right, so it's been a few days and I've actually gotten it to work. So the only way that I was able to get this to work is I was able to get it to work by updating my sync system to Sync 3.4. Now, if you have a truck and you're running Sync 3.0, I don't think that's available to you unless you decide to go some sort of backdoor method to get it to work. Now, to go ahead and show all this fully working, you can see down there, I am plugged in. Phone is up here, plugged in. I'm going to start the truck, and you'll see no more error message. There you go. So on Sync 3.4, nothing's coming in, and there you go. CarPlay does work, and everything is fully connected. So I have a video, it was either last week or a few weeks ago, where I show you how to update to Sync 3.4. You can do it using Cyan Labs, and I've been successful with it, and I've been very happy with how it performs, but what it's showing is there's probably some sort of driver or something within that software package that's necessary to make this work. So you can do it. I'm running it right now and there's no issues, but you're going to need to update your truck to Sync 3.4 to make it work. And the second you do that, the error message goes away and everything works flawlessly. I've been running it this way for a little while now and I've had zero issues with it. So that's it. If you do embark on this project, I hope you get everything to work the way it's supposed to be. You will have to update to Sync 3.4, but thanks for tuning in this week on Smackey's Garage. I'll see you next time.